Shaquille O'Neal was in attendance for this Lakers game because the Lakers honored him with a statue. Karl Anthony Towns, the windmill reverse in transition. Look at this, behind the back pass from Rubio. This game is full of highlights. What a great game. You have to see this action. Rubio looking again, another lie. Up top, making it look easy. D'Angelo Russell's gonna miss, but look who's there to tip it up and in. Corey Brewer, flying, slamming, looking like Shaq's statue, actually. Oh, look at that cheese. Clarkson with the moves over the screen, knocks it down. That's a 4-point play. Lakers running the same play, but then Randall's gonna take it, throw up a floater, it goes in. The Lakers were down by 8, but now all of a sudden it's a tie game. Can Rubio end it at the buzzer? Crossover. He passes it in the corner. Doesn't even hit the rim. We're going to overtime. In overtime, who's gonna take this game? Clarkson wide open. Bang! All of a sudden, LA has some life. They're fighting. Missed shot, but Randall with the tip slam. And the Lakers force overtime and take it. LeBron with the lob up to Richard Jefferson, the old man. It's so funny watching him still throw it down. Backdoor cut for Kyle Korver, wide open. They're so terrified of the three-pointer that they just gave up a layup. That is crazy. Kemba getting inside. He wants the foul. He doesn't get it. Turnover. Kevin Love.